Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cut videos on Mac OS and which video editor you can use to cut a video. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's get started. Okay, first you should go to App Store and download a video editor which is called the VN. Just a minute. VN, it's called VN video editor. This is okay. I have already downloaded this editor, as you can see this. Okay, once you download this video editor, open the application. I'm going to open okay, and then create a new project. Click here. I'm going to create a new project, and yeah, and now you can add your videos. And then let me, for example, I'm going to bring this video here. Okay, this is my video, and now I'm going to cut, for example, this part from here. For example, I'm going to make to cut, for example, not from here, and you can put the cursor wherever you want to cut. That's it. Okay, and click here, split. Okay, see, now we have two parts, one part, second part. And now if you want to delete the part which you don't want, so just select that and click here, on delete. That's it. See, it's gone. And for example, if you want to cut from here, for example, just click on split. Now we have two parts, as you can see, and I'm going to delete this part. That's it. That's very simple and very easy. Once you finished with editing, you should export from the top right corner. You can export the project. See, click on that, and here it will be saved on your desktop, and click on export. See, yeah, that's it guys. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in the next video.